The Lost Dogs. There are two dogs named Mato, who is as white as a mayonnaise, and Ochre, who is as dark as the night, that are playing in the big and bushy park with their handsome and tall owner, Dek. Dek was talking to someone while Mato and Ochre kept playing and running around together with the other pets. Mato and Ochre enjoyed playing too much that they didn't notice they went too far away and got lost. The two dogs realized that they played too much and did not pay attention to their owner. They saw Deku, a big and fluffy cat, and asked for help. With the help of each other, Mato and Ochre were able to go back to their owner. They thanked Deku for his assistance. From that day, they learned to always be careful and also to be helpful to those who are in need.